everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now if you want to see how I created this beautiful tablescape, stay tuned and watch. Now welcome to Tablescape Tuesdays. It's my favorite time of the week. Now, Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. What an awesome opportunity to go ahead and create a freestyle tablescape, any color, style, or theme, and reveal. As you can see here, I decided to go ahead and do a romantic dinner for two out on my porch. So now we have the twinkle lights on, we have lots of greenery, we have two floral displays back there that are DIYs. We have a black glitter tablecloth that was a gifted item, and then the chargers came from Hobby Lobby and the dishware came from the Dollar Tree, and it is beautiful. The glassware came from the Dollar Tree, and then the utensils, which are absolutely beautiful, they are in black. I purchased those at Walmart. Okay, so the cloth napkins, those were thrifted items, and then the napkin holder, which looks like a diamond ring, gorgeous. That was a gifted item from a friend. Now, Tablescape Tuesdays is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. Okay, so it looks like I'm almost done setting everything up. We'll be heading over to the reveal soon. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.